Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jabari Taylor, and I am a digital marketing coach and Facebook and Instagram advertiser. Today I'm going to be talking about a few different campaigns that aren't talked about much, which is brand awareness and reach campaigns. And in those campaigns, I'm going to be showing you how to use them effectively so that you're actually able to convert from these ads. Okay, so with that said, let's hop right into it. So I'm gonna talk about a few different objectives in this one. And one of the reasons why I'm going over objectives so heavily is because you do need to understand how they work in order to use them strategically so that you get the best end result possible. So I'm going to start with awareness for reach and brand awareness. So I'm going to start with reach. Brand awareness is it's pretty simple. It will show you basically it will show you the results in terms of how well it did in terms of like the people that have seen it and how best they recalled it. And that's how the results will show up, how best someone recalled your ad. But for reach, the settings are a little bit different, and it's actually nice the way the settings are in reach, because it allows you to here, and actually let me just show you this way it's not too confusing. So reach has a different budget and scheduling section where essentially you can cap your frequency. So you can get one impression every 7 days, or you can increase it to 2 or 3, or however many impressions you think you'll need on a single person in order to get a sale. Now, you do need to remember when marketing that you are most likely, for most people, unless it's an impulse buy or an impulse lead conversion, you're probably going to need a little bit more than one impression on the person in order to get that sale, in order to get person to your store, in order to get person as a client, and the reason why I want to go over reach is, even though I don't think it's the best optimization or objective, as you will, I do think that it is a great tool to use in terms of making sure that your ad is being served to a person a specific number of times, so that they get an actual impression of what it's like to see that for themselves. So that's one of the differences for reach. That's pretty much the only difference there is. And let's go to let's speak about brand awareness. Brand awareness, it's not, like I said, it's more for recall, how well someone recalls your brand. And it's definitely something that you can use, but it's something that's used probably, I would say, for more long-term use. If you're trying to get results right away, brand awareness is not something that I would use right away. But brand awareness is something you can use. Maybe if you want to build a top of the funnel with a brand awareness, or even a middle of the funnel with brand awareness. Obviously, someone that's in the bottom of the funnel would be someone that's already purchased from you. So you would hope that they recall where they purchased from. But brand awareness is definitely for more of a long-term thing, I would say, in terms of getting enough people to recognize your brand over a long period of time. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, comment below, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. Lastly, please, please, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.